Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to a very sunny and beautiful Blackpool today. Look at these skies, just wow, isn't this gorgeous? Look at this. Blackpool Tower over there. Wow, it's absolutely beautiful out here today. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon on this beautiful sunny Thursday. So yeah, I'm just here and I'm going to go back over and have a look and see how the St Chads Hotel demolition is going on. So I'll meet you back over there in a minute. So as you can see, as we're approaching it, they're making good progress. As if you look at it from this side now, you can see that the apartments have gone, the chippy has gone, and there's even a picture up there on the wall. Look at that. So there, of course, in front of us is the big reaching arm that's been doing the pulling down and the high up parts of this building. So that's just sitting right there, having a rest while the rest of them are doing a bit of clearing up of some of the rubble, probably a bit of recycling, as is always the case with these demolitions. And yeah, so it's coming on really, really well. So we've got the machines to suppress the dust. It looks like we are going to start on this corner any minute now. Wow, look at this, guys. Keep trying to get you a slightly different angle on it depending on which bit they're pulling down at the time. decent view from this angle here, so we'll stay here for a few minutes. Yeah, at the minute they're keeping it all dampened down with these water sprays. That's just to control the amount of dust that is on the site. That's why you can see a mist in front of the building at the moment, going across the camera. These machines really do make light work of bringing down the building. It's always fascinating to watch the demolition. You've got to commend the operators as well for their skill in handling these big machines. Going, there it goes. Oh, we're going for this bit of wall now, look. Let's clear the top of it first. Yeah, it's coming down fast, this building. This is one huge building. And it's not actually going to take them all that long. Look at the speed they're moving. Although the cost to rent these big, long reach machine here, you know, you don't want to be spending forever doing it either. You want to get it down. Whoa, did you see that go? That was epic. Wow, that was so cool. Look at that. Down goes the window. How awesome is that, guys? Whoa, they are not messing with this demolition. They really are motoring. So far this morning I've seen Seasider down here. This is Colin, who was over the road filming. We've got James over here, which is all things theme parks and entertainment, I believe. And next to me, I've got Wayne from Toe Arts Gamers. I will drop all their links on my channel somewhere as well. We've got another window going in a minute. I think we may have. Yeah, watch window there. There it goes. He's having that out, isn't he? Look at this. Look at that. Wait, really?
Yeah. How big is that?
Whoa. That was epic. Yeah, so St Chads Hotel, right here on Blackpool Promenade. You've got the demolition going on right now. Built in 1891, so it's really sad to see this go, but also it was of no historical interest apart from its age, and it can't be converted into a swish fancy 5-star hotel, so the only option is a total rebuild, which is what is going to happen. Yeah, so the Singapore-based company that actually own this building are going to be building a state-of-the-art, modern 5-star hotel right on this side here. Look at this, guys. Wow, look at that. Going for the wall next, yep, he is. Whoa. Wow. Here we go for another window. There it goes. He's determined to get that bit of floor up, isn't it? Look at that. Got a chunk. Wow. Wow, look at this now. Yeah, they are doing an absolutely cracking job down here at St Chads Hotel. Look at him loosening that up so he can pull it out. Put the water mister back on to damp down some of this dust that's around here. That's it. There's James, which is All Things Theme Parks and Entertainment, I believe his channel is called. And just over here we have Wayne from Toe Arts Gamers. So gives a wave. So that's hi from Wayne over there. And I will link their channels in the description of this video. Right, guys and girls, we're just going to have a quick look from this angle here before we head home. So there it is. Slightly quieter because we're right next to the water thing over there, but that's fine because that's where the action was. There you go. As you can see, they're not going to be at this demolition forever. It may be a big, big building, but I don't think it's going to take them that long to bring it down. What do you think? Right, I'm going to wrap it up there anyway, guys and girls. So from here at St Chads on Blackpool Promenade, it's a fond farewell from me. So until the next one, I will love you and leave you. Thanks for watching, thanks for joining. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, important, hit that notification bell, you know, when I upload next one. Till the next one, catch you later folks, bye!